If there isn't enough thread engagement, the internal threads can strip before the bolt ever reaches its strength. When that happens, the joint fails, even if it felt tight during assembly. Most people use a simple rule, about 1 bolt diameter of thread engagement. A half-inch bolt gets about a half-inch of threads. You hear that everywhere, and in a lot of cases, it works. But that rule isn't the goal. It's just what you end up with when things are matched correctly. When you tighten a bolt, the bolt is being stretched. That stretch is what creates clamp load. The internal threads aren't stretching. They're holding that pull by shearing along the sides of the threads. Every engaged thread adds a little more area to carry that load. What you're really doing is giving those threads enough strength to hold on while the bolt does the work. The goal is simple. The bolt should reach its strength before the threads strip. That's why the 1 diameter rule often works in steel. The threads are strong enough that around 1 bolt diameter of engagement gives you enough shear area to match the bolt's strength. Once you're there, adding more threads usually doesn't make the joint stronger. And none of that shows up in the torque number you're reading. The bolt will normally fail before the threads do. The situation changes when the material is softer. Aluminum, magnesium, and many cast materials don't have the same thread strength as steel. Their threads strip more easily, so you need more engagement to carry the same load. That's why you'll often see closer to 1.5 to 2 bolt diameters when threading into aluminum. The exact number depends on the material and the load, but the idea is the same. If the material is weaker, you need more engaged threads. There are also times where the rule doesn't hold up. Shallow holes, damaged threads, bolts bottoming out, or high-strength bolts going into weaker material. In those cases, a bolt can feel tight, but the threads aren't actually doing the work. In steel, about 1 bolt diameter is usually enough. In softer materials like aluminum, plan on more, often 1.5 to 2 diameters. The goal doesn't change. Enough engagement so the bolt would fail before the threads do. And even when you get that part right, you can tighten it properly and still not get the clamp load you think you have. Because torque doesn't actually tell you that. That's what we're going to look at next. Thanks for watching. There's more to come.